Ahoy there, everyone. How's it going? It's Captain Granite back here again with another motovlog. Today, we're talking about what if scenarios. Stay tuned.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh yeah!
Alright, so I hope everyone's doing well. I'm just going home from work, and it is a bit brisk. Well, not brisk as in temperature-wise, but the wind. The wind is blustery. That's the word. The other B word. Blustery. It blows. So there might be a little bit of added wind noise into the microphone. I don't know. I moved the mic just ever so slightly back into the cheek pad. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. So what if scenarios? So I was thinking about this the other day, and I don't honestly think I'm the only one that does this. Do you play out like scenarios in your head, like what if? Like this person here, you know, what's she walking from? You know, what if she just, you know, her car broke down up here and she's walking to the gas station? Doesn't make any sense. What is that? That's an old army flatbed. That's pretty cool. Anyway, what if she ran out of gas and she's walking to the gas station? Doesn't make a lick of sense because the gas station's this way, not that way. Well, the closer gas station is this way. But I play out these scenarios in my head like all the time, and it doesn't make a lick of sense. Standing in the bank, I'm sitting there going, you know, what if this person is coming in to rob it? What do I do? You know, it's just one of those like crazy things that goes on in my head, you know. And there's sometimes, like, especially around the Halloween time, you know, if I'm out at night and I go past the house and I see orange lights inside the house, and you know, sometimes the orange lights are flashing and whatnot. I'm sitting there going, ah, cool, you know, Halloween decorations. But what if it was actually a fire? I don't know. I don't know why these things go through my head. Man, there's a lot of like cool older vehicles out and about today. You had that army flatbed, then I think that was a Model T. I think. I don't really know my cars all that well. So another like what if kind of thing is, and I don't know. It's so weird. So if I see someone at like the grocery store going through self-checkout, I just go, you know, and like they have a big cart, I'm like, you know, what if they were trying to just steal stuff? Like, you know, oh, I'm gonna scan this, and that magically goes into the bag without them scanning. Is it a trust thing? Do I not trust people? Or do I just see the bad in people? I don't know. And we got these two, you know, what if that guy took his eye off his kid? What if that guy hit himself in the head with a hammer? What if she gets hit with a hammer? And she's walking on a do not walk. What's her hurry? What if she's going to rob that bank? What if that guy that's carrying those groceries, what if he stole them? You never know. Nope, she's crying actually. Does she have regrets that she's about to rob a bank? We don't know. I mean, we'll know later on in the news, but can you not? what if that guy pulled out in front of me? Well, I would have been still back there in the road. That's the what if on that one. What if these people didn't park in the stupid spot? They're not from around here. I mean, Massachusetts plates, but why? Why would you park directly in a no parking zone on a two-way street just to talk to some two old ladies? What if they're plotting bank robbery? Why is it always bank robbery with me? I think that's just the easiest go-to. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I was just really curious because that thought's been going through my head. Not the bank robbery, but just what if scenarios. And if I was alone in this. Well then, that guy is in a hurry. What if he has to poop? That's my go-to for that one. His license plate said stock too, which is funny because he's one of those just Subaru drivers that thinks they're God's gift to the racing world. But I betcha he has to poop. So anyway, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. And if you're returning, you're still damn sexy. There's no denying it. So, you guys stay classy. I will talk to you all later. And until the next one, this is Captain Granite. Later.
Let me say it to you. Let me say it out loud. The cream of the crop. I am the cream. I am the cream, yeah.